Welcome to Toyota, Missouri. This advanced manufacturing facility is home to over 900 highly skilled and dedicated team members who make aluminum cylinder heads for every car, truck, and SUV that Toyota builds in North America. You might be wondering, what's a cylinder head? Well, we like to call it the lungs of the engine because it's critical for controlling the fuel and air mixture into the engine, as well as the exhaust from the engine. Now, Toyota, Missouri is one of the largest aluminum casting manufacturers in the world with 600,000 square feet under roof on a 200-acre campus. And while our size is impressive, it's really our people and our technology that are the big deal. Throughout our plant, team members work hand in hand with robots and other automated technology to drive Toyota quality and consistency. But what really makes us a Toyota manufacturing facility is our Toyota Production System, otherwise known as TPS. Our terrific people are highly skilled in the art of built-in quality and just-in-time delivery. So, let's go inside and I'll show you what I mean.
To manufacture cylinder heads, we use a low-pressure casting system. The key components of our casting process are dies, which are molds made out of steel, and sand cores, which are molds made out of, you guessed it, sand. These components are designed to create the shape of the cylinder head when we add molten aluminum. The complex shapes in a cylinder head help to make Toyota vehicles more efficient and fun to drive. The first step in our casting process is mixing sand and a binder together. That mixture is pressed into a die and heated, creating an extremely precise, intricate sand shape, the sand core. And here's a fun fact: the sand core is heated to about 280 degrees Celsius, or 536 degrees Fahrenheit. The sand cores get automatically filed down to remove any extra material. They're then sent to the aluminum casting machine via an AGV, an automatic guided vehicle that moves the cores to where they need to go just in time. Our team members load the sand cores into the casting machine. The mold is closed, and liquid aluminum is slowly poured into the cavity. Air fills the pressure chamber from the top and pushes the metal down. Then, the metal flows upward through the stock and into the mold. Water and cooling circuits help to solidify the aluminum. Once the metal is solid, we remove the casting. Fun fact: the casting is so hot, it takes about 30 minutes for it to cool and move on to the next process. To finish the process, we separate the sand from the aluminum. Hammers knock sand out of the casting, and then the excess metal is trimmed away. We then take extra care to separate and recycle the scrap metal and leftover sand. What we just showed you is our typical finishing process. A new technology we've recently introduced to the plant is flexible finishing. This technique incorporates automated technologies and allows us to finish different kinds of parts on the same machines. This flexibility ensures we can better meet our customers' needs. Now, once the finishing process is complete, the aluminum casting is heat-treated to strengthen the freshly minted cylinder heads. Another fun fact: each year we use up to 74 million pounds of aluminum. That's equivalent to about 2.3 billion aluminum soda cans. The last step is inspection. Since quality is a hallmark of the Toyota brand, we carefully inspect every single cylinder head casting we produce. In fact, some castings go through an even more rigorous inspection process at our quality control lab. Every month, more than 1,000 castings and dies are sliced, diced, or examined to track down any inconsistencies. Our final fun fact: Toyota, Missouri can produce nearly 3 million cylinder heads per year. That's about 9 every minute. That's a lot of cylinder heads. And none of it can happen without the work of our talented and dedicated team members. Toyota's success depends on continuous improvement and respect for people, the foundations of the Toyota way.
So we hope you've enjoyed learning about our plant today. At Toyota Missouri, we're committed to delivering superior quality cylinder heads for the most technologically advanced, reliable, and safe vehicles on the road today. We appreciate your interest. Thanks for watching.